If you've been scrolling through YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, you've definitely seen them. Those weirdly satisfying epoxy flooring and home renovation videos, they are absolutely blowing up right now. I found a channel with just 65 uploads that has already hit over 3 lakh subscribers. And here's the kicker, these videos are 100% AI generated. Just look at these stats. They're uploading these satisfying clips and raking in millions of views. Here's another channel doing the exact same thing, and literally every single video is pulling in massive traffic. Trust me, tons of small creators are jumping on this trend and growing fast. But there is a catch. Creating consistent, glitch-free AI video that actually looks good, that's usually the hard part. But don't worry, I've got you. I created a master prompt PDF that does all the heavy lifting for you, from generating the viral topics to writing the actual video generation prompts. You do not want to skip a second of this. Join our Telegram group to get the file for free. You will require password to open the PDF, so watch this short tutorial carefully to get the password. Let's dive in. First, open the PDF file, copy that viral topics prompt, but don't change a word. This is the brain of the operation. Then paste it into ChatGPT and hit generate. Instantly, it spits out 10 viral and trending concepts like living room transformations or kitchen makeovers. For this story, let's go with option number 3, the master bedroom. I typed 3, and ChatGPT started generating the blueprint, which consists of 4 highly detailed image prompts and 3 specific video transition prompts. Now we need our visuals. We're heading over to Flow AI. Start a new project and switch the mode to create images. Set your aspect ratio, we need consistency here. I copied the first image prompt from ChatGPT, the under construction phase, and pasted it in. Boom, within seconds we have a realistic room full of dust and broken concrete. I clicked add to prompt to keep the style, then copy the second image prompt and paste it right here. Now we have the same room, but the floor is being prepped. I repeated this for the third and fourth prompts until I had the full timeline, that is from demolition to a luxury high gloss finish. But static images don't go viral. We need to bring this to life. Simply switch the toggle to frames to video. This is the secret sauce. We are going to bridge the gaps. I uploaded image 1 as the first frame and image 2 as the second frame. Then I grabbed the first video prompt from ChatGPT, pasted it, and hit generate. Watch this. The AI hallucinates the motion between the 2 states, creating a perfect construction time-lapse. I did it again, image 2 as the start, image 3 as the finish. Once you had all the clips, simply stitch them together using any video editing software and layered in some satisfying, relaxing music. Let me show you the result. You now have the tools to dominate this niche. But this technology isn't just for floors. If you want me to continue this viral niche series in short and simple way like this, then comment down part 2. I guarantee series will surely make you a passive income source. Also, if you have any doubts, put that in comment. I will try to solve it. And don't forget, join our family by hitting that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.